Oh,
Ah,
so use a jack to lift.
we've tried.
Nice,
Very
yeah.
nice. Cool. You tried it, right? It
Yes,
works?
with right, and it kind of worked.
Kind of.
Kind of.
But it's better to just...
For
take-
free bricks,
And that's
which you
it,
can
yeah.
carry by yourself. Generally, but why
you
not?
you go to work, like you're that famous, like, cool builder, like a
Yeah.
cool guy in school. And you just, you do everything with style.
Yeah, it's your style. If you want to be stylish,
That's it. You just use these crazy tools.
Yeah.
If you want to be practical, that's something different.
Yeah. Stylish, it doesn't mean practical.
Yeah, it doesn't. But still stylish.
Yeah.
Still stylish. What?
Is it?
Get out of here.
Oh my gosh.
That I like. That I
Yeah.
want. A freaking
want 'em, yeah.
cross axe.
That can be efficient and it can save your time to chopping some
That's
wood.
because you just
Yeah.
straight away cut into 4 pieces. That's cool.
Nice.
You
know
gotta try
what?
that. You gotta try that.
Yeah, I think we should. So let us know if you want to see such a video, such test.
Why not?
Yeah.
Oh, more welding.
Okay. This still worth they just destroy this thing.
Oh no. It was perfectly
So,
good. It didn't do
yeah.
anything to you. Why are you doing it?
They just love to. Oh,
Okay.
okay. Maybe it was
Or he could have just taken a hook, put it into the drill,
exactly
and just done the same.
That could be easier.
Come
So,
on, Bob. What are you doing?
Think twice before do
Exactly,
something.
Exactly.
Wow. Okay. Wait a second.
More another axe,
Okay. Axe.
and then
Hammer.
half a hammer.
Yes, and the pliers.
What?
3 in 1. Look at this.
Boom! And then
It's what you need in your life.
because I go around chopping little wood sticks. Right? Oh man.
Oh, that pliers which surprised me and which I like. I mean, what is the purpose?
What welding is that? He's holding a little thing, and then he has
Two guys
two
here.
guys. Bunch of tools.
They will write us in the comments
course
how
they
bad
will.
we are.
Yeah, you're definitely a bunch of tools. Oh gosh.
So okay, it's a way how to open a bottle. And so use a jack to lift.
We've tried that. I remember.
Yes, and
We've
it
tried
worked.
that, and it worked. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Good stuff. There's a lot of handy stuff when you're alone and you don't have anyone to
Yeah.
help you. So it's way better.
yeah, sometimes you can see some useless hacks,
That's cool.
and usually,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
sometimes
There's actually like
Yeah, the good
super
one.
cool ones. Yeah.
So okay, that's how you can weld your wires, but I'm not.
I wouldn't do that either.
Yeah, it's better use the soldering iron.
And
and,
that's it. Yeah, you
yeah.
just solder it and that's it. That was
Wow,
insane. What?
But sorry,
What?
why?
What?
Okay.
That was cool. I
That
like that.
was-
It looks very
yeah.
simple, very
Mhm.
clean.
Easy peasy.
Japanesey.
Easy. Lemon squeezy.
Exactly.
So okay, nice.
Ah.
But how accurate the?
Probably not accurate.
No.
It's doable, but definitely not on this on what you needed to do.
So
All right.
it's really for some specific holes. Sorry.
Yeah, you just have a hole, you grind it in the, or you use the Dremel if you don't have it.
Okay, it's like fine.
Hacksaw blade inside the cutter.
Yeah, that's actually nice.
That is actually super cool.
And these holes use right for.
I want to try that. That's actually super cool. Cutter blade holder and then
Yeah.
hacksaw. Nice. The TIG welder. So that, like this welder, I understand.
Yeah.
You have the actual electrode.
Mm-hmm.
But here he had a welder and a little
The piece of metal.
Yeah, why?
That's another
Style?
Yeah, this is
Really?
another technique, and also you can, if you would see it like they weld aluminium.
Yeah.
It's a different technique.
Really?
So you need the special stick, and you need the, let's say, torch,
yeah.
and you.
It's
doing
not
like so.
the stick that you put into the welder.
Yes.
It's separate.
It's separate. Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
I've never seen that before.
There is a lot of techniques, to be honest.
Cool.
Yeah. So yeah. Wow. Be careful with your fingers. with
Yeah,
that
it's a
gadget.
bit dangerous, that one.
Okay.
The zip ties.
Flynn tested this hack. Yeah.
This one
Yeah.
with the Coca-Cola cap.
Yeah. His crafting process
Nice.
was
Very
amazing.
amazing.
Yes.
I want to see that video.
Yes, you want to see.
I
If
need to
you
see that video.
if you know this video, just attach some link on it
Oh,
so
gosh.
everybody can see it.
Freaking Flint. I thought he was a crafter. Crafty,
He's a crafter,
crafty little guy.
but sometimes it happened with everyone,
True, true. We've all had our really bad crafts.
Yes.
That's for
Which
sure.
is your bad craft?
Ooh, my bad craft.
Yeah.
That's a difficult one because
Because I have no.
my crafts are amazing. No, my
Okay.
bad craft. I did some really, really bad ones in the past, like super bad ones. Probably
Which
some
doesn't
repair stuff, which
okay.
I
You
did
don't
them
like.
fast, and then it's like it was awful on camera.
Okay.
And then I look at it, and then deep down inside, I'm like, oh, that's awful. But then,
Yeah.
it'll do. It's good. So yeah, don't do that. If you do something, do it well.
Wow.
Life knowledge from
From Archie
from the tool guys.
Yes. Tool guys. I tried this.
Yeah,
Yeah, and it worked.
that's cool.
He try to guess what he said.
Not bad.
You're right.
Yes. Oh, Butch, I missed that guy.
So, okay, I guess. Nah, if you don't have any other tools, it's kind of weird if you have that one and
Yeah.
you have nothing else. Maybe
He's sharpening a knife.
with what?
A butter knife. You know, the one with serrated edges.
Which shouldn't be.
And he cuts the edge of the
Yeah.
banana. Because you always cut the edge of it. You don't cut the actual banana.
Of course.
Oh man.
But I have an idea. It's just to demonstrate.
Yeah, no,
last
I know.
night,
I'm
but
just being
still.
I'm being mean.
Yeah, I mean, you being the
Bad cop.
the bad
And
cop,
you be the good cop.
Yes, and also yeah, you like the regular guy from the comments.
The normal viewers.
The normal.
What is
viewers.
this crap we're watching? I just wasted my time.
This wasn't 5 minutes.
This is 10 minutes. This is 3 days.
Yes.
3-day crafts. Oh gosh.
Wow, it's really. I guess this is the common comment under their video.
It's the common comment, but it's
Yeah.
not crafts that you do in 5 minutes. It's crafts that are usually played in a 5-minute clip, right? That's how I think about it.
Yeah, but
Right.
I think originally when they started, they thought about like the
5
craft
minute-
for 5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm trying to be, I'm trying to work it out.
I know.
Help me out a bit.
No,
Hey,
no.
I'm walking here.
No, it's just a title. Don't judge a channel by the title.
Yeah, don't judge a channel by a title. Exactly. No, that was really smart. I like that saying. It's like,
Yeah.
don't judge a book by its cover, and don't judge 5-minute craft by 5-minute craft, guys.
Yes.
Come on.
Judge them by the crafts. If the craft
Exactly.
sheet, text it.
Ah,
So, okay.
is that a ship? No, it's a bicycle.
Oh,
That's cool.
That was
What?
Why you need so many pliers on one?
He's broken the matrix. That's what he's done.
Wow, I'm so curious about this.
So crazy.
Wow, these pliers made my day.
You
I
know
don't
the
know
crazy
why.
thing? All these guys, they're so talented. They're making
Yeah.
all this stuff, and none of them are, patenting their instrument. To go
what
to,
do you mean?
to register your
Yeah,
creation.
sure.
Either they're creating like this crazy stuff you don't see every day in shops.
But maybe they do. We don't know. I mean,
But if they did, then we'd see it in shops, right? We'll see these tools being sold.
maybe you
Or
just
maybe-
didn't admit it.
Maybe.
So let us know. Did you sell such a?
yeah.
Did you see some such tools or no?
in the shop? In the
Yeah.
shop, not DIY stuff.
Exactly. And
This looks like a lollipop, but you.
lollipop.
But he was cutting it from the other side of the disc. It's weird.
That I didn't get it as well.
Yeah.
So what is this? I guess it's
Probably a pickle jar opener or
It's a wrench, yeah. It's an adjustable
torque,
wrench.
torque wrench. Yeah.
Torque wrench. Yeah.
What's this?
Wow, they upset about pliers.
Yeah,
I mean, what is
I mean,
this?
pliers are a cool invention. Why not?
Yes,
You,
but
you can use them to, hold and tighten things. You can use them for torturing. You
Yes.
can use them for plier stuff.
okay,
Pliers.
okay.
Try some.
Just
Find
pliers.
some, just pliers. Yeah.
Yeah, the
Why
previous
not?
one was very nice, to be honest.
Super
Oh,
cool. Similar.